Many Nigerians have money in their OPay account without even realizing it, and I used to be one of them until I discovered these secrets. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. I am Isaac and I make videos on banking awareness and financial education. Now stay with me to the end of this video because I'll be introducing you to the app where you'll be able to find your hidden balance, and you'll also be able to withdraw this money directly into your OPay main wallet account. Most OPay users only know about their main account balance or their main account, not knowing that there is another account called the OPay commission account. And it's obvious that most people don't even know because you cannot access this account with your regular OPay app. The surprising part is that many people don't even know that they have this money hidden in their commission account because they are using the OPay regular app. So why not share this video with your friends, because some of them may have a huge amount of money hidden in their OPay commission account without even knowing. So without wasting much of your time, let me introduce you to the OPay commission account. So guys, in this video, I will be guiding you step by step on how you can withdraw the money you have in your OPay commission account directly into your OPay main wallet account, and it's going to reflect instantly in your account balance. Go to your App Store or your Play Store and download the OPay Business app, OPay Business. Just the same way you have WhatsApp and you have WhatsApp Business, this OPay Business is another app on its own that is also available to you on the Play Store or App Store. Now head on to the Play Store and search OPay Business. When you see the app, your Play Store or your App Store, search OPay Business, download the app and log in the same way you used to log in your normal OPay account. Now let me walk you through the video.
So guys, as you can see from this video, this is the regular OPay app. As you can see, this is the regular OPay app. There is nothing like commission, so you won't be able to even see the commission balance or whatever you have in your commission account. Then when you look at this one, it's still the same account. Look at it, it's still the same account. You see the two, you see the same profile, it's still the same account. But here you are seeing what they call commission, 5,046 naira. Here you can't see any commission here, while here there is commission. So let me show you. So guys, let me show you how you can actually move this commission, the money you have in your commission here, so that you start reflecting in your balance here. And once you start reflecting in your balance here, you will also be able to see it on the regular OPay app right here. So guys, we'll click on this commission right here, this place, the root commission. We'll click on it and it opens. So we'll click on this withdrawal button, click on the withdrawal. But meanwhile, look at the transaction, how this commission is being earned. For every airtime that I buy from this my OPay, they give me commission of 4 naira 18 kobo. As you can see here, 4 naira 18 kobo for airtime. Then for transfer to bank, I get commission of 5 naira 70 kobo. As you can see, these are what came about that 5,000 plus that you're seeing there. Commission on every transfer that I did 5 naira 70 kobo, and that's what sum up to that amount. So this commission is cumulated. Do you get? This transaction is not just a one-day transaction. These are transactions I have been doing over the weeks, over the months, over the years. So that's what gave me this 5,000 plus, and you never can tell how much that you have in your commission account. Guys, feel free to let me know if you actually see something in your OPay commission account after trying what you see in this video. Now let's proceed to withdrawing this money in our commission from our commission account to our OPay available balance. And when I do this withdrawal, as you have seen 3,000 naira there, it will now increase. The balance will reflect immediately. So what are we going to do? We'll click on this withdrawal button. Then you now see commission account 5,046 naira 16 kobo. When you come down, you see my OPay balance where it will be withdrawn to, and I choose yes, that's where it will be withdrawn to. You cannot withdraw from your commission account to another bank. From commission account, you must enter your OPay wallet before you can now make transfer. And the amount I will be withdrawing is 2,000 naira. I don't want to empty everything, okay? I won't be emptying everything for the sake of this video. I'll be withdrawing 2,000. If I click on this send all amount, that means everything I have in my commission account will be sent to my main balance account, but that's not what I'm doing now. So I'll click on confirm After clicking on confirm, I will be asked to enter my PIN, which I enter my PIN here, and after that, success. Is done. So the balance, my commission balance, have reduced to 30,000 naira. That's 5,000 minus 2,000 that I withdrew, and here's my available balance in my OPay. Before it was 3,000 naira before I started this transaction, and here it is now 5,700 naira. Instantly the money dropped without wasting my time. Then my commission balance now have to reduce from 5,000 naira to 3,000 naira, as you can see from here. So guys, it's as simple as ABCD. But the funniest part is that most people never knew that they have this money. That's why I'm making this video, to pass this information to people. You may have money sitting right there in your commission account without you even knowing. So if you come across this video, download this OPay business app, check if you have money there. If you don't have, share this video with your friends, because somebody may actually need it.
So after that, you can see my balance have increased. You see the 2,000 commission withdrawal, as you can see from here. Commission withdrawal 2,000 naira. Success. So my balance have increased. My balance have increased to 5,000 naira from 3,000 to 5,000. So this money is actually real and is hidden there in your OPay commission account. Guys, if you find this video helpful, why not hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future valuable videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, because most of them actually have money in their commission account without even knowing, because they're using the regular app. You can't find that money there. This information is helpful. Share it with your friends, and see you in my next video. I'm sure you must have learned something today. Why not share this video with your friends, because some of them have funds sitting right there in their commission account without even knowing, just like me that have over 5,000 naira in my commission account until I put it out to my main wallet account. Give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time of being to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that I don't miss out on future valuable videos. I remain Isaac. See you in my next video.